thank you all for traveling to Death Valley. I am excited to have you all here. Hope you guys are equally as stoked to see these amazing views together as a group. We are about to start distributing our sticker kits and t-shirts and all that jazz. Let people get stickered up. We're gonna start our journey into Death Valley. It's gonna be an epic time. We're gonna have some amazing food, amazing media coverage, and you're gonna follow us along the way. Everybody here down.
A little rough yesterday. These washboards will kill you. 15 psi.
We're basically in the desert. We've got Joshua trees around us. It's super dry. The sun feels hotter than it does back in Missouri. Don't know why, but it does. And we got a good group of guys anxious to get actually into the backcountry. We can actually see the country better than you can off the pavement.
Outside of that, we've got mountains. We're gonna hit some canyons here in a little bit. Hunter Mountain's like way over that ridge, and then we're gonna see the notorious racetrack where apparently rocks travel without anyone picking them up. How does it happen? We'll see.
Done Lippincott, which is a great pass, nice and rocky, tons of shelf roads, medium-sized boulders. You know, it's good and technical for those that haven't seen anything like that before. We just came out on a gnarly washboard that about shook my teeth out of my head, and now we're heading up some deep sand section, and I don't know what it is.
We went through there 30 miles per hour, couldn't see anything. It was like we were going through the waves in the ocean. We were just up and down. I was like, oh shit, I hope, we're not like gonna plow into the side of the ditch. That was cool.
Totally covered like deep. I'll pop the air filter out of it. I know I sucked a ton in.
So how dusty are y'all?
Pretty damn dusty.
Is that exciting?
So far, so good.
I popped out of those rocks like 4 times.
Yeah, I did too.
I couldn't see where I was going.
We found a camp spot up in the mountains, and there's snow next to us and mud, and so we're gonna start setting up and try to stay warm.
Coffee.
All right, I wasn't ready for all that. All right, what's going on over here? This looks like a cafe of sorts.
Yeah, you got to have coffee. So we've got it set up here. We got a pour over, we got a French press. We're gonna do a little bit of Turkish coffee. We've got the Colombian dark roast, bananas Foster if you like the flavor, or the Ethiopian blonde roast. There was no warmth last night anywhere.
you know, checking the temperatures before we got here, I saw 80 degrees is the high and 50s as the low, and I thought, oh, this is a piece of cake. I'm gonna get hot. No, that felt more like the teens last night. I don't know what it actually was, but that was pretty cold.
Hey, Jason, go ahead and grab a plate. I'm gonna toss some tortillas on here in a minute after this batch. Okay. So if you want a burrito, but there's eggs, bacon already there. Okay. Got salsa and cheese. We're gonna go down an icy fast. And we're gonna head out towards some pavement again. We'll go top off tanks, and then we're gonna go to Echo Canyon. Alright, so we've just pulled off the highway after like 50 miles of pavement, and we are on Echo Canyon. This is Echo Canyon Pass. So if you see these beautiful red rocks behind us, we're heading through those, and we might have time to stop by and check out an old mine.
This is an area called The Steps, and we're just now getting here. We're working through it. We're gonna stock Land Cruiser 200 right here. Going right through it.
Good boy. Yes!
Scott would be so proud.
So much sauce! So Jason was trying to show off and show me up, and just got a minor dent in his drive shaft. He's going to come back off the line and then reapproach the same line that we did. I just love that you have a big grin on your face. It's fantastic. So good. That'll do.
Fantastic view.
Yeah, I bet.
That wasn't bad. I knew the hitch was going to hang up, but it hung up harder than I thought it would. So.
Sure did.
Good teamwork out there. Good teamwork.
Here's Dave doing it with one hand with his eyes closed, just casually. Oh my God.
Look away for 1 second. Driver.
Sorry, I changed channel.
Driver.
So much happened today. It was a long day, not in a bad way. At first I wasn't sure what in the world we were coming up to, but then as we came up to it, I was confident that we would be able to go over. This type of community is always really nice. People are friendly and easygoing and easy to talk to, so.
What do you think
All
about?
I'm thinking about is beer and fire right now.
And we covered so much ground over the last 2 days, and I think we've seen just about every terrain you could see. You know, I just didn't expect it in Death Valley. Death Valley, you think of just like dry, desolate nothingness, and we've seen so much varying terrain, from steep cliffs and shelf edges and huge steps. Just a overall epic day.